Hello, Chrysostom here. I'm here to present to you the dashboard that I managed to come up with. Now we are analyzing the activities, the dynamics, the behaviors, the statistics of employees per department. In other words, this analysis is going to be centered on departments. Now when you look at the top part here, you'll see it at a glance. It will give you the number of active employees, number of employees in the sales department, number of employees in the R&D department, number of employees in the HR department, and the age group of all the employees that you have in your company. We shall also be able to see the composition of employees by gender, meaning you'll be able to see the number of females and the number of males, and maybe make an informed decision on whether to balance the gender, or maybe you've done a good job balancing the gender in your company. So at a glance you'll be able to look at that number. Then we also have the job satisfaction rating per department, where the job satisfaction is grouped into 4 levels, level 1 to level 4. Level 1 shows the number of people who are less satisfied with their roles, in other words, who are not so happy about what they are doing. So, and they are grouped per department. So meaning in the HR department, you find that 11 people are less satisfied, while the 4 people are very satisfied, and the middle people are also here, 20 and 15, giving a total of 63. Then you find in the sales department, the same thing, in the R&D department, like that. Then it will also give you the total number of people who are saying they are less satisfied, and maybe the total number of people who are saying they are more satisfied. So yeah, you as the HR, you'll be able to know the rate of satisfaction of your employees, and probably you come up with strategies or activities or enhancements that will improve on the job satisfaction rate, or on the job satisfaction of the employees in your company. Then you'll be able to also visualize or see at a glance the trainings per department, the number of trainings the department is having, and you may find that R&D is having the highest number of training, but probably because their number is high, and so you may find that overall the rate, the number of trainings vis-a-vis the number of employees in the department could be balanced, and therefore maybe the company is actively involved in training of their employees, and this could bring good results or good returns in terms of output and maybe profits for the company, which can be a good thing. So you can be able to visualize and be informed with this component. Then here you'll be able to see the number of employees by department and by age group. In other words, say if you want the age group of 40 employees who are 40 years in the department, you find that 53 of them come from sales department, 143 of them come from the R&D department, and 12 of them come from the HR department, and so on and so forth. So whichever age bracket that you want to pick out and maybe be informed, you can easily visualize it and maybe come up with a report or a decision basing on whatever you've got on for this visualization. So the dashboard is also able to visualize the education level per department. In other words, you want to know how many employees have attained maybe a master's degree in per department. You'll see that in HR's department, 15 have the master's degree, 255 in the R&D department, and maybe 128. And then how many are doctors? You'll be able to see that three in the HR department are doctors, 30 in the R&D department, and 15 in the sales department. This can give you this can give you information maybe leading to that will enable you make a decision on it could be taking your employees for further studies, or maybe promotion, or maybe giving them a task or something, anything that you want basing on this information. It will accurately visualize and give you that data. And then lastly, we were able to visualize the attrition rate by gender for each department. In other words, this representation of a donut chart will visualize the attrition rate, that is male and female, in the HR department. You'll be able to see that six males is orange and female is blue. So 6 males left the company, and 12 females left, and 6 females left the company as well, bringing a total to 12 in the HR department. Similarly, in the R&D department, you find that 90 males left the company and 43 females left, giving a total of 133. Same applies to the sales. So this will inform you of say which gender is leaving the company more, maybe which department has a higher rate of members who are leaving the department or the company, and maybe you come up with strategies on how to retain them, how to retain the employees. And still, this graph, this dashboard will help you to know if the strategies you're laying are actually working. In other words, if the number of employees who are leaving is now reducing, you'll be able to be informed by the graph, the dashboard. So it's a very important tool in any organization. Then you can also, this upper part here, you can also try to, maybe you want to visualize the employees per department, but you want to exclude maybe the master's students, or maybe the high school students. You want to visualize only those but who are not in high school. So you'll be able to select, to choose maybe master's degree. You don't want to include them. So it will change, and when you exclude them from here, they are excluded across board. In other words, all these visualizations remove the employees who have high school level. And you can add any other component. For my case of demonstration, I put education, but you can put any other component that you feel can work for you. or for that situation for which you're designing the dashboard for. So basically that is it. Maybe I show you the behind the scenes. I came up with the number of trainees per department, number of employees by department, by age group, job satisfaction, and all these small components. I've managed to finally bring them into one big dashboard that you'll be able to visualize everything from here. So thank you very much. I think that's where I can end for today. Thank you.